Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start with the exercise 3.4 which we have already started, but we'll start with question number 2 of this exercise. In question number 2, word problems are being given and there are 5 word problems on page number 57 of your NCERT book, question number 2. So we are going to do this. Let me tell you, in the starting of the video you should subscribe the channel so that you should be able to get the update which exercise have been uploaded. Okay, and second thing, you should share the video, and on the video, no, maybe after a few minutes or in the starting of the video also, there will be one card which should be visible here, will be visible here. Okay, and if you'll click on this to see this, at the end of this screen there is one symbol like this, and you can click on that. Is written that is it clear, yes or no. If it is no, if your answer is no, then you should comment below why it is no. Okay, if it is yes, then fine, I'll be able to know that the questions are clear. If any question is not clear, you can mention no and you can comment below which question is not understood. Okay, this way it will be better for me to get your feedback. Okay, so let us start with today's video. So same exercise, exercise 3.4 and question number 2. Let me bring the exercise here. So it is right here. So these are the questions which we are going to do. Question number 1. Find the solution if they exist by elimination method. So we are going to use elimination method in these problems. Just for the practice, it will not be given in the exam that you have to use substitution or elimination method, or there is one more method left, that is cross multiplication method. No, it will not be written in these word problems. It is up to you which method you want to use, but as per the exercises of NCERT, it is being recommended to use here elimination method. Why? Just for the practice. So here in this exercise we are going to use elimination method, so that it should come in practice. So we should know how to solve by elimination method, as we have just newly started this method in this exercise. So question number 2, first part. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. They're talking about fraction and we have to take out the fraction even. So we don't, as fraction is comprises of numerator and denominator. So as we don't know the numerator, neither numerator nor denominator, so we are going to assume it in the starting that our numerator be x and denominator be y. So let numerator be x and denominator by. Now according to question, just go for the first statement that we called as case 1. If we add 1 to numerator, very clearly it is written add 1 to numerator. Just write the numerator and denominator like this, because numerator upon denominator in this way only we have to write. Then add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator is written. Subtract 1 from denominator. The fraction becomes or reduces to 1. The fraction become 1. Okay, now just cross multiply. You can write 1 upon 1, cross multiply. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1, and x, just bring this y this side and take this 1 that side. So x minus y is equal to minus 2. So this is our first equation. Now moving on to case second. As per the question, it becomes 1 by 2, means fraction becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Now we have to only add, first of all we'll write like this, numerator upon denominator, and in the denominator we are going to add 1, because it is written that if we only add 1 to the denominator, so 1 is added to the denominator and numerator is just same, and the fraction reduces to 1 by 2. Okay, cross multiply. 2 into x, 2x is equal to y plus 1. Just bring this y this side. So this is second equation. Now here there is no need to just make the coefficient of the variable same, because here y is already same. Okay, with same coefficient, minus 1 and minus 1 means 1 and 1, and here we have the same sign of y. Since it is same and we have the sign also same, if sign is same then we have to subtract, because sign should be different, then only it can get cancelled. So to make the sign different we have to subtract these two equations. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. It is your choice if you want to subtract 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. So from 2, so let us write this 2 equation first and just write this now. As we are subtracting it, so sign will get changed. This is cancels out, so here we are left with x is equals to 3. So x is 3, we can take out the value of y, just put in any of the equation. So I am putting the value of y in the value of x in equation number 1. Put value of x in equation 1. So equation 1, x minus y equals to minus 2. X minus y is equals to minus 2. So the value of x is 3. 3 minus y is equals to minus 2. So just bring this y this side and bring this x this side. So sorry, bring this 2 this side. So it will become y is equals to 5. So here we got x equals to 3 and y is equal to 5. So our fraction means numerator upon denominator, and the numerator is 3, and because you can write no, that numerator is x and denominator is y, and this is 3 upon 5. So here this question ends, and it is an easy equation among them. 3 upon 5 is the answer of the question. So after this, moving on to second part. 5 years ago, Nuri 5 years ago, was thrice as old as Sonu. So Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu, but 5 years ago. Okay, then 10 years later, 10 years after 10 years, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So, but we don't know the present ages of Sonu and Nuri. What is this Nuri? So let us write. Let the second part we are solving now. Let present age of Nuri be x years and present age of Sonu be y years. Now case 1. According to question, what is the first statement? 5 years ago it is written. First of all, just write the age of Nuri and Sonu in just in front to make the equation. X as for Nuri and Y for Sonu. So it is written that 5 years ago. 5 years ago we have to subtract from these ages 5 because 5 years ago they will be 5 years younger. So Nuri was thrice as Sonu. So Nuri age was thrice as Sonu. So we'll multiply the Sonu's age by 3. So x minus y is equals to 3y minus 15. X minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. X minus 3y is equals to minus 10. So this is our first equation. So very simple, just 5 years ago, just subtract 5. If it is written before ago, then you have to subtract the same number. Then if it is written Nuri is thrice as Sonu, so we'll multiply the Sonu's age by 3. And reason I have already told where we have to multiply and where we have to subtract and add whatever. Okay, 10 years later. Okay, case second. In case second, 10 years later means 10 years after the ages of two. We have to add with 10 in the ages of Nuri and Sonu. Let us add the 10 because there is 10 years later it is written. Then Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. This is Nuri and Nuri is twice as old as Sonu. So solving it, 2y plus 20. Just bring this 2y this side and bring this 10 this side. 20 minus 10, 10. This is second equation. So again, there is no need to just make the coefficient same because here already x is same, but we have same sign again, so we need to subtract them. Let us write subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1 from equation 2, equation 2 just right here, then equation 1, sign change and sign change. This is all over, and here we are left with y is equals to 20. So age of Sonu is 20, and let us take out the value of x. Put value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus 3y equals to minus 10. So x minus 3 into y is 20. So x minus 60 is equals to minus 10. Bring this 60 this side, minus 10 plus 60, then x is 50. So we can write at the end what it is. Nuri's age is 50 years and Sonu's age is 20 years. So this is the answer of this. So this is done. So the answer is 20 and 50 years. So it is all correct. After this, we are moving on to the next part of the question. In question number second, the next part is question third, means third part. We have done two parts now, and we have to do all the five questions today. So just now try to understand it very carefully. This is a question which you have done in 8th. Obviously, in Collins book, it was given in playing with numbers, if you remember. And I have uh, told to some of the students, which I have taught, that this question is very important. You should do, and it will be repeated in ninth uh, and 10th, playing with numbers, and in ninth, I guess you have done from RS. Now you are in 10th, so the same is repeated again. Sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. So how we are going to just do this question? As they are talking about a two-digit number, so a ones place and tens place. So ones and two. So there is a two-digit number. Means two-digit number starts from 10 to 99. So your answer can be any of these numbers from 10 to 99, but we don't know what is the answer. So we can't guess. So we have to follow the statement written here. First of all, sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. If we will add these two digits, no, then answer will be 9. So obviously these types of, this is not the pair. If we will add this, it will be 18. So this is not the pair. So our pair is something like this: 18, 27, because if we are adding it, it is coming 9. 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. So answers can be like this, where if you are adding these two numbers and you are getting answer 9. Clear? No? I hope this is clear. Means in the first statement is written sum of two digit number is 9. So this is a two digit number where the sum of these digits is 9. Sum of these digits is 9. So these, any of them can be our answer. But again, we can't make a guess. So we have to just follow a linear equation in two variable to solve this question. As we don't know what is our ones digit and what is our tens digit, so we'll let ones digit be x and let tens digit be y. So this question, no, in this question we have some steps which are fixed. For example, the first step ones digit x, the second step tens digit y. Now the third step is also same, original number. Original number means the number that we are going to form with the help of these two digits. For example, if I am saying you that once your ones digit is 3 and your tens digit is 2, then what is your number? You will write, sir, my number is 23. But how do you get this? Do you know the expanded form of 23? Yeah, if a number is written in tens place, then it can be written as 20. If a number is written in ones place, then it can be written as 3. So here, the number which is written at ones place, we have just added it with a number written in tens place, and tens place number, there is 2 which we have multiplied by 10. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 10 plus 3, this way we have written. This is a very simple equation. See this, 23 in expanded form. We have done this in very lower grades, third and fourth, I guess, where you have to write the expanded form of this, and you have done like this, 20 plus 3, or you have done like this also, 2 into 10 plus 3. This way also you have written, means the tens number multiplied by 2, then added with ones digit. So this is all 20 and plus 3. So in the same way we are going to write here in the expanded form the original number. So what is our tens digit? That is y. So tens digit will be multiplied by 10, and ones digit will be added to this. Just like this. Tens digit is multiplied by 10, and ones digit is added to this. If you will solve this, this will become 20 plus 3 and 23. Okay, so expansion of 23 is this. So in the same way, expansion of this uh, y and x will be this, because this is ones digit which is added here, and tens digit is always multiplied with 10. So just keep in mind, you have to multiply the tens digit with 10, and just you have to add the ones digit to make the number. So this is your number, original number. Now in the question, just see in the question if they are talking about the reversing of the number. Also 9 times this number means this number. Okay, whenever they'll talk about the number, no, this is this number only which we have just formed, original number. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. They are saying the number is reversed. If the number will get reversed, then reverse number will be, just bring this x this side with 10 and y this side in place of x. The number is reversed. Have you got it? 23, if it is 2 into 10 plus 3, if you are going to reverse the number, that is 32. The number is reversed, no, 32. Then it will be 3 into 10 plus 2. So 3 came here and 2 came this side. I know, I am just helping you out with the help of an example also side by side. So original number is this, reverse number is this. So let us move on to the question again. Now the first case will make according to question. See the first case. The sum of the digit of two digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of these two digit, the first digit and the second digit. Just add these digits, the sum is 9. So this is our first equation. First equation is very easy. Sum of the digits. So you have to add the digit and sum will be equal to 9. Then case 2. What is written? 9 times this number. Okay, 9 times means multiply by this number. This number I have told you, the number which we have formed, 10y plus x. Okay, is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Is twice of the number which is reversed. If twice of the reverse number. So just now solve it. This is 90y plus 9x is equals to 20x plus 2y. Bring this y this side, it will become minus 2y. Then we have this plus 9x. Bring this 20 this side, it will become minus 20x is equals to 0. So it is 88y and minus 18x is equals to 0. 88y minus 18x. Now, so by mistake I have written here as 18. So it is just 11. So 9x minus 20x is 11 minus 11x. So just bring this 11, why to bring that side, just write in this way, minus 11x plus 88y. Just I am writing the x term first, then y, and after this we can take minus 11 common, will become x, and here minus 8y is equals to 0. Yes, no, if I am taking minus 11 common, then it will be x minus 8y equals to 0, and sign will get changed because I have took 11 minus also common. So x minus 8y is equals to minus 11 going that side, 0 upon minus 11 is 0. So this is our second equation. See this here, we are left with here first equation and second equation. Again the coefficients are same, x and x, so we have to just subtract because the sign is same. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 1, x plus y is equals to 9, and equation 2 is this. So x minus 8y equals to 0, and x plus y is equals to 9. Sign change as we are subtracting it, cancels out, and here minus 9y is equals to minus 9, and y is equals to minus 9 upon minus 9, which is equals to 1. So value of y we got 1. Now put value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y is equals to 9, where put the value of y, that is 1, and take out the value of x, that is 8. Now what is our number? What we have assumed our number, or what is the original number? Just go with this number we have to take out, 10y plus x. Just write here 10y plus x and put the values. The value of y is 1 and x is 8, so it is 10 plus 8, which is 18. So 18 is the number. Okay, so this is the number. Or you can directly write, if you don't want to write like this, no, then you can directly write the number is the ones place and the tens place. Ones place you have let x, and tens place you have let y. Just write in place of x 8 and write in place of y 1. So this way also you can write. This is your choice. If you want to use this original number, and here you can put the value, you will get 18. Otherwise you can write like this: ones tenth place and ones place you have let x in the starting, and tenth place you have let y, and here just directly you can write 8 and one number is 18. Okay, so this is done. I have took too much time to explain this, so moving on to the next part, which is this question. Just wait a second. Okay, so let us start with the next question. Fifth part. So fifth part is fourth part. Sorry, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2,000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 and 100 notes only. Rupee 50 notes she want of to for she want to collect 2,000 rupees from the bank, and she want only 50 rupee note and 100 rupee notes. And Meena got 25 notes in all. So number of notes which she has received is 25. And how many notes of 50 rupee and 100 rupee she has received? So let us take out how many notes she has received of 50 and 100 rupees separately. So let number of 50 rupee notes be x, and let number of 50 rupee notes be x, and number of 100 rupee notes be y. So as per the question, no, case 1 is very easy. Case 1, it is written that total number of notes that she has received is 25. Let us make this easy equation first. As case 1, this is equation 1. And how much this money she has received? 2,000 rupees she has received. So case 2 we can make like this: the total money received by her is 2,000, and she has took 50 rupee note. How many? X. So 50 into x. And 100 rupee note, how many? Y. So 100 into y. Okay, because if she is taking 50 rupee note, then you can convert it into money. If she is taking 50 rupee note, how many? 3. Then it will be converted into 150 rupees. Okay, then if she is taking 100 rupees note 5, then it will be converted into rupees, 500 rupees. I know, in the same way we have converted. If she has took x 50 rupee notes, then we have to multiply it by x to convert into money. Then 100 rupee note, how many? Y. So just multiply it by y, you will be able to know how much money. So it is being converted into money, and the total money is 2000 rupees. Okay, and to make it easier, just you can take 50 common. So this all cancelled. So this is, so this is cancelled with 5, 40. So x plus 2y is equals to 40. This is equation second. So again here the coefficient of x is same, so directly we can subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So x plus 2y equals to 40. So x plus 2y is equals to 40. This is the second equation, and the first equation being x plus y is equals to 25. Subtract, sign change, cancels out, and this is y is equal to 15. So y right now is 15, and we can take out the value of x in the same way. Put value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equals to 25. X plus 15 is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 minus 15, and x is equal to 10. So y is 15 and x is 10. What we have assumed, x 50 rupee notes. So in the end, just you have to write in a statement, number of 50 rupee notes were 10, and number of 100 rupee notes were 15. So you can take out, if you want to take out whether it is making 2000 rupees or not. 50 multiplied by 10, 500 rupees of 50 rupee note, and 100 multiplied by 15, 1500 rupee of 100 rupee note, and total 2000 she has received. Fine. So this was just the verification process that we have done. So this is the correct answer. Okay, 10 and 15. So we are done with this. So the last question of this exercise, that is question number 5. Our lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. It is a question like the taxi fare you have done in ninth. Okay, related to that, but a little different. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. So there is a library which is taking for the first 3 days a fixed charge, and additional charge for each day thereafter. Means if you uh, take a book from there for 10 days, suppose if you're taking a book from this library for 10 days, then for 3 days there is a fixed charge. Then after that for 7 days there is a different charge per day. Okay, that is for the number of days which are left, means 7 days are left, for that no different charge. So we don't know what is the fixed charge, and we don't know the charge for one day, for one extra day. So let fixed charge be rupee x, and charge each extra day, and charge for each extra day be y. Now case 1, according to question. In case 1, it is written Sarita paid 27 rupees for the book kept for 7 days. Means Sarita took book for 7 days and she has paid rupees 27. So 7 days is converted into the first 3 days, and for the 3 days she has to pay only the fixed charge, that is X, and for rest of the days, that is 4 days, for 4 days she'll pay how much? Y rupees. Okay, y for each day, no, so we have to multiply it by y. So 4 will be multiplied by y to take out the charge to be paid for 4 days. So first of all, for 3 days it is fixed charge, and out of this 7 days, no, you have to just convert it into 3 and 4 days, because for the first 3 days it is written fixed charge. So 3 days just gone here, because for 3 days she has paid X rupees, and for number of days left, which are 4 days left out of 7, 4 days are still left, and for 4 days she will pay Y rupees, and total amount that she is going to pay is 27 rupees. In the same way, the second case, Susie paid 21 rupee for the book. She has paid 21 for the book, and she has kept for 5 days. And in 5 days, no, 5 days has converted again into 3, because for the fixed charge it is 3 days, X rupees for the fixed charge, and number of days left is 2, and for 2 days she will pay this. Maybe you are thinking, sir, here you are multiplying by 2 with Y, and why are you not multiplying with 3x? Why x is not multiplied by 3? Why y is multiplied by 2? Because in the question itself it is written that for first 3 days the charge is fixed. So for first 3 days there is no need to do any calculation. If they have said that for first 3 days the charge is rupees 10, and it is 10, no need to multiply with 3. It is the calculations already done with this by the library department. Okay, so just you need to write x for 3 days, and for rest of the days you have to just count the number of days left and multiply it by y. Now these two equations can be solved. Again, the coefficient of x is same, so just subtract equation 2 from equation 1. X plus 4y is equals to 27, and x plus 2y is equals to 21. Sign change, cancels out, and this is 2y is equals to 6, and y is equals to 6 upon 2, which is 3. So at last we got y is equals to 3. So we can take out the value of x in the same way. Put the value of x in any of the equation. So value of y. Put value of y in any of the equation. Put value of y in equation 2. I'm just putting the value of y in equation 2, that is x plus 2y is equals to 21. Put the value of y here. X plus 2 into 3 is equals to 21. X plus 6 equals to 21. So x is equals to 21 minus 6, that is 15. Value of x is 15. So fixed charge, we have assumed x, that is rupees 15, and charge for each extra day, is rupees 3. So we'll write here rupee 3. If you want to verify it, you can verify. In the first equation it was fixed charge 15, and for 4 days she has kept, and 4 multiplied by 3, so 15 plus 12, it is 27. So it is verified. Also, this is your means way to verify your answer. Okay, so this is done. So fifth part is also done. So today we are going to do till here only, and we are completed till exercise 3.4. So complete exercise 3.4 in fair notebook. Clear? So our syllabus till now is completed, chapter number 1, 2 and chapter 3 till exercise 3.4. So this much is completed. We have to be fast in few days to complete the syllabus. Okay, bye, take care, do these questions, and today there is a doubt session also, so join the doubt session then.